Plant of the day today is this beauty here. This is an oregano, an oregano, oregano, oreganum is the botanical name. An ornamental oregano, if I'm really being really clear. It's called Kent Beauty. Normally speaking, these bracts, these are all the bracts here, these lovely purple things, are bright color. They are kind of a little less so this year, maybe just because it was such a cool spring, I don't know. This is in my desert garden bed. I call it that because it's mostly sand in here and it's hot. So a lot of like succulents and stuff like that. So as with most oreganos, it'll be happy with really good drainage and thin soil. Very ornamental. So excellent for rock gardens, for hanging baskets, tucked in where you have like crappy soil and it's not very hospitable for other things. It's a Mediterranean plant, right? Oregano. So if you think about it, their soil is probably pretty sandy and pretty dry, not a lot of organic matter, right? Because they don't get a lot of rain and they don't have a lot of like trees like we do anyway, not as many. Yeah, so this is a really good one for bees as well. I'm going to show you the flowers. Let's see here. So like I said, these are the bracts, these beautiful purple things here. And then inside, right in there, let me see if I can actually get the friggin' camera to focus. Come on, baby, you can do this. There we go. Those are the flowers, those little tiny things inside there. So the bees will go in there and give it a good sip and pollinate it. Really nice for late summer color. Beautiful cascading form. Deer don't eat it. I have some in the front as well, and they've never ever touched it. Not even the babies, and the babies will sometimes graze on stuff that's, they're not familiar with. But of course, oregano is has a nice smell. So yeah, one thing is there's a flower right there. Yes, perfect. Coming out. I guess those other ones were like spent flowers. Maybe it's a little bit late. But anyway, that little tiny purple thing. What was I saying about deer? Oh, right. I was going to say it would be good in a cut flower arrangement, but not in a dried flower arrangement. I tried a couple years ago, and all of these little things just fall out like a pine cone. So I ended up with them all over my floor. So that is Oregano Kent Beauty.